Welcome back, dear students, for the mathematics class. So, let's learn now subtraction. Here we have today the topic subtraction. Let's learn. Before learning subtraction and solving the exercises, first let us know what is predecessor. The number which comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. The number which comes just before a particular number is called its predecessor. For example, 45 minus 1 equals to how much? You need to take away 1 from 45. When you take away 1 from 45, what you get? It is 44. The answer what you get is 44. So 44 is the predecessor. When we take away 1 from 45, the number obtained is called the predecessor of 45. So what can you say? 44 is before 45. Predecessor means the before number of 45. How can you get the before number? By subtracting with 1. You take away 1 and you get the predecessor of the number. As you have followed the example, in today's exercise, let us solve the predecessor problems. Exercise 2, we have find the predecessors of the following. You need to find the predecessors of the following. 10 numbers are given in your book and you need to write the predecessor of the numbers. Here I have solved the exercise for you. You can watch the problems. The first one, let us take 87. Here we have the first one, 87. The next number we have 55. The next number 85. 65 and 14. So in this slide there are 5 numbers. Let us write the predecessor of these numbers. How to write the predecessor of the number? By taking away 1. So let us solve the first one. The first one 87 minus 1. You take away 1 from 87. What is the answer you obtain? That is 86. So 86 is the predecessor of 87. Just before 87, the number what we get is 86. Let's move to the next one. Here we have the question 55. Let's solve it. 55 minus 1 equals to 54. Take away 1 from 55 and you get 54. 54 is the predecessor of 55. Just before 55, we have the number 54. Here we have the next one, number 3, 85. Let's solve. 85 minus 1 equals to 84. How did we find the predecessor? By subtracting 1. Take away 1 from 85 and you get the answer 84. 84 is the predecessor of 85. Let's move to the next one. 65. Let's solve this. 65 minus 1 gives 64. Take away 1 from 65 and what you get? The predecessor of 65. Which number comes before 65? 64 comes before 65. So you have obtained the predecessor by subtracting 1 from 65. Take away 1 and you get 64. Here we have the fifth question, that is 14. Let's solve this. Take away 1 from 14. 14 minus 1. What did you get? 13. 14 minus 1 gives you 13. 13 comes just before 14. That is, 13 is the predecessor of number 14. Let's move to the next one. Find the predecessors. We have the question 42, 31, 3, 80, 63. So we have here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 6, 42. 7th one is 31. 8th one 3. 9th one 80. And last we have number 10, that is 63. We need to find the predecessors. I hope so you have understood and you can solve this sums. So let me make you very easy by solving them. We have 42 minus 1, that is 41. You can recheck your answers if you have solved already. Take away 1 from 42 and you get 41. Try to solve the next one, 31. Okay. The predecessor of 31 you should get is 30. When you take away 1 from 31, what answer you need to get? 30. 31 before number is 30. So 30 is called the predecessor of 31. Let's move to the next one. Here we have the next question, number 3. Let's solve. Take away 1 from 3, you get 2. 3 minus 1 gives you 2. 2 is the predecessor of 3. Try to solve the next one, children. What is your answer? Okay. If you have solved already, you can recheck the answer. Take away 1 from 80. That is 80 minus 1 gives you how much? 79. 79 is the predecessor of 80. 80 minus 1 equals to 79. Here we have the last number 63. Let's solve. Take away 1 from 63. When you take away 1 from 63, what do you get? You get 62. So 62 is the predecessor of 63. I hope so. You have followed the exercise of predecessor. Find the predecessors of the following. And if you have understood this, it will be very helpful for you to find the predecessor of any given numbers. If you have followed, kindly write this exercise in your notebook 2 times and try to solve many sums on your own. Thank you.